2 of my other video. Some of the equipment that I work on, the day job, pays for all the other hobbies. This is another chill plant, a little newer than the first one that I showed you. This is where I spend most of my time. The chillers are off today, but we still have a flat plate heat exchanger and circulating pumps running. So, you know, you got to come by every day, a couple times a day, make sure there's nothing leaking on the floor, and do some water tests, and there's always something to do. Cleaning, taking the equipment apart, fixing bearings, leaky seals, constant battle, and full-time job, that's for sure. These are some more, these are vertical pumps. The last plant I showed you, they were just regular, normal horizontal pumps. These got 125 horsepower motors as well. And got these big stainless steel sand filters here. So everything's operated by air. All the controls, all the valves. This is a typical valve, so somebody will be in a control room someplace and decide we have to switch over to chillers, and these valves will, solenoid will open and the valve will change position, and you get control that way. And of course it's very complex. You got a sequence of events that occurs, and yeah. And this is another one of those plants. Like I started, it was brand new, and I didn't know what I was going to do, because the first year it was all under warranty. So grabbed a paintbrush and started painting all this stuff. And I just initiated a backwash here. So this is filtering condenser water from the towers, and should be coming out here pretty quick. You'll see it kind of cloudy. That's the contamination. And come on. You want to show somebody, nothing ever works right. There it comes. There it comes. It's easier to look here. You can see where it's kind of clear. I don't know how long it's been since this last backwash. I didn't look at the controller, but I got it set up where it backwashes every 4 hours right now. But these tanks are full of sand, and the water has to work its way through the sand, and it filters the water. So when it backwashes, it reverses the direction, fluffs up the sand, and just dump it right down the drain here. All the contamination as well. So looks like it's pretty clean shot. I must have just done it here a little while ago. Anyhow, just goofing around. Actually, it's not my job. Just got to make sure this stuff's working right. Here's an interesting little story. See this gantry? I had to pull one of these motors off. You can see this one over here is all opened up. That motor's burned up twice. It actually caught fire and had flames on the top. I had to put it out with a fire extinguisher. And when they designed this building, they made no provision to pull these motors. So we had to put this aluminum gantry up, and I'll tell you, I did that myself. Somebody stole one of the legs off to take to another plant, but that's a 12-foot long, 12-inch wide aluminum I-beam. That sucker's heavy. That wasn't fun. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, I'll give you a quick look at the towers over here, and then I gotta get some work done. Can't get back far enough to really give you the effect of hear that belt squeaking up there? We've got fans on top of these towers, And we're not running the chiller, but we're running the flat plate. So sounds like I got a belt that needs a little tightening. We'll come up here and go inside and see what we can see. That's sand. That's dirt in the sump here. That's why we had that sand filter. These things are like swamp coolers, and takes all that stuff out of there. There's the big propeller up there on top. That's about a, well, I don't know, 75 horse motor, big Bandit belts. And let's go over here to the next one that's running. Probably be too noisy to hear anything in there. This thing is on a variable frequency drive, so they run at different speeds. And this is not running hard at all. This is just loafing along. Look at the foam. That's what you get when you use chlorine as part of your water treatment. So I wonder how that's going to look on camera. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I was just up there yesterday greasing all that stuff. I'd hate to have to change those bearings. It looks like that belt's going to have to be snugged up just a little bit. They're Bandit belts. It's like having 7 belts all connected together. I don't know if that shows up. But, yeah. I like my job. I like working with mechanical things and making them last, making them work right. Probably why I'm still driving a darn old Volkswagen. Just a challenge, you know. Except this one pays the bills. Anyhow, we'll be talking to you guys later. Take care. Get out in the garage.